5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Not Live from Westeros, and here we are. Uh, Meet the team Amit Singh, Arunima, and yours truly. I think ये discussion सब office में होता था, but we tried to now, think something different and bring this discussion to you. Amit has read the books. Now we are live, guys. We are in Not Live from Westeros. Amit has read the books. House of Dragon season 2 is out now. Pehla episode, A Son for a Son, right? Is out, and we're going to talk about it. So welcome aboard, guys. Let's get started.
Yeah, I think before we start, I mean, let's take a minute because this episode was little. What should I say? I felt it was little daunting because there's a lot of tension, and Rhaenyra was going through her episode of grief altogether.
Oh,
I still felt it could have been impactful, again, from a standpoint. But I think my favorite opening was that it started with North.
Winterfell.
For a second, Winterfell, and for a second I was like, okay, why are we watching first episode of Game of Thrones once again? Because if you remember, that's how it had started, the Night Watch, right? Yeah. It was a bit nostalgic, but then we all realized, okay, we are 174 years back. But that was definitely a good touch. Yeah.
This I agree. When I saw Winterfell, I was like, "Arey, ये कहीं देखा हुआ है." Then I read Winterfell. Then I'm like, "नहीं, did I start Game of Thrones by all of like accidentally?" So मैंने scroll किया, नहीं, House of Dragon for latest.
No, but seriously, this episode was very emotional.
Agreed, Arnav. We're talking about openings, right?
Yeah.
The opening credits. How did you guys find it?
True. Oh, it was fantastic. It was fantastic. I mean, they did a great job keeping the entire Game of Thrones tune once again. It's like a nostalgic period.
I like the tune, but I did not like that, सिलाई बुनाई. मेरे को वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था उतना. मेरे को
probably stick to the real part of it.
Because it was I think बहुत मेहनत लगा होगा. It was done beautifully in the sense, but I could not find that aesthetic pleasure than the blood flow हो रहा है, blood को follow करते करते, like what they did in part 1, I guess, right? There's a blood trail that was going, and then you could follow that. इसमें भी they were telling a story, I think about the Mad King. But I did not like the opening I mean, classic सिलाई बुनाई मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा उसमें. Could have been a better, but I love the music. Obviously, we love the music because of the theme. Yes, so the opening was really, really cool. What else? What else did you like about the first episode? A Son for a Son.
I think people should start hearing out Helena. It's high point that they do. I mean, stop ignoring her, man. She has some legit shit going on. Like, someone needs to sit back and listen. Like, I think the character build-up was really good. But also, I would like to point out, I felt कुछ और भी हो सकता था. When it was a bit of 50-50 kind of a thing. While we are trying to understand that everyone is going through a mourning period, there's a lot of tension. We don't know what's happening, right? Everyone on both sides, they're expecting a war. Something will happen. Something is going to happen. And then there is two brothers. We have Aemond, who is trying to be, I am the king kind of attitude.
Aegon.
Sorry, Aegon, my bad. And but also at the same time, the actual king. But also King's brother happened to be, I feel he's also in a sort of a dilemma somewhere because he feels that his mother is very protective, and which actually turned out to be true. Alicent still cares for her friend, Rhaenyra, at the end of the day.
Obviously, after I started watching the episode after watching I had sent a recap link. तो वो recap देख के वो 20 मिनट का रिकैप है HBO का, सीजन 1 का, उसको देख के स्टार्टेड. A lot of
Yeah.
things have changed and diversified in King's Landing. काफी Christian Cole and Alicent, काफी चीजें आगे बढ़ चुकी हैं. माहौल बहुत अलग है. But I was like, I like the fact that they kept it very real in the sense कि जब पहला पार्ट खत्म हुआ था, the first impulse you will have कि मारो साले को, अब हो गया, अब just
Correct.
go and attack King's Landing. वैसा नहीं हुआ. Proper they gave that time to Rhaenyra कि भाई अभी she is not in the zone. अभी उनको पहले वो लाश देखनी है. अगर वो लाश नहीं देखती है, क्योंकि वो बोली ना क्या, उसकी चाची एग्जांपल देखी,
Rhaenys.
Rhaenys, that she's
I hadn't seen, तब तक तो जब तक एक रेवन का आवाज सुन के हम नहीं करने वाले भाई. पहले मेरे को बॉडी देखना है, फिर वो पूरा ढूंढ रही थी. इट फेल्ट वेरी रियल, क्योंकि
yeah,
वो
true,
द प्लेसेस आर वेरी फार. कुछ भी
true,
करना
yeah.
आसान है, और वो विंग मिलना और वो कपड़े मिलना, and then her saying I want Aemond. Now
want
it felt कि हाँ भैया दो, like now vengeance feels much more कि हाँ, now
True.
क्या कहते हैं वो होता है ना, stages of grief और depression होता है. जो पहले denial होता है, then you get to understand, you accept कि हाँ वो हो चुका है, and then you come into that self कि अच्छा चलो, it's time to take what's mine. Then she I want Aemond. साफ बात है. Aemond.
Seriously,
Amit,
I think that
don't be
closure-
awfully quiet. Yes, Amit, what are your thoughts?
I was just going to say, I like the fact that when the whole Rhaenyra's wala part started, it started Rhaenys.
Yeah.
My absolute favorite character, hands
yes,
down.
yes.
Starting with Rhaenys and Meleys, पूरा एकदम she was giving her insights also, no, कि जब मेरे साथ ये हुआ था, तो मुझे पता है how Rhaenyra is feeling. So it doesn't make
Yeah.
sense to just randomly go and attack. But this also showed that human tendency ना, जब हम लोग देखते हैं कि we give those taunts, पहले ऐसे कर देना चाहिए था. That's what this guy gave. What's his name? Daemon told
Daemon.
Rhaenys, right? कि
Yeah.
तुम्हारे पास चांस था, तुमने जलाया नहीं इनको.
जरा नहीं.
He was like, bro, it's okay.
No,
No,
I
I
think
mean,
the closure was required for Rhaenyra. Yeah, the closure was required, and I was glad that she got that closure with whatever it was remaining for her, right? But I have never seen that character to be so helpless and so grieving at the same time. Because Rhaenyra for me had always been okay. Like, I am not gonna take anything from anyone. Like, I am here. This is it. That's where I draw my line. But that opening scene of where, I mean, when the scene shifted to her and there was this hollowness, like she doesn't know what she's doing. She's all over the place. She's just trying to find out something, like to hold on to remember that, to get that closure. Ki, no, this has happened now. Now I have to accept it and move on. Now what do I do next? And if you remember that when she came back and her shoulders were drooped and she was walking, her head down, and there was a small council was going on at Dragonfell, and everyone is telling from everything, like lot of information coming from everywhere कि ऐसा हुआ है, हमने ऐसा कर दिया है. But all she stood near the fire and she said, I want this guy, like get this guy for me.
But that scene was very sad when she found the wing, no? Like, when you just actually see the hand and the wing, you realize कि अरे बेचारा dragon. I was more sad about the dragon.
Yeah, I think when I went back and watched the rehash of that episode, that they specifically showed, right, like how Vhagar came and he just sliced up that dragon like into two halves. It was just gone. Like, what happened? And the other brother also, I mean, the way he was looking at it, he couldn't really fathom that this thing will happen.
Yeah.
And I feel that there would be a sense of guilt. I mean, there was a part where he was talking to Sir Cole, right? I mean, my mother, where he was discussing, right, that my mother, still likes the queen and whatever that is, she still loves them. and all of it. But in that all that hatred, levels of hatred, I feel that he was just trying to, justify what he has done, right? But I feel at the same time that he's going to take that brunt personally. Like that guilt will sort of consume him, is what I feel going forward. It could be like one of those turning points.
What was the best scene from the first episode for you guys? So let's talk about the best scene today.
Best.
So I think for me,
Rhaenys' entry.
Rhaenys' entry, okay.
I think
for me it was the mother son scene. When वो आता है, वो अपडेट देते रहता है कि हाँ विंटरफेल में ये बात हो गई और योर ग्रेस, विंटरफेल में हो गया बात, इधर से ये सपोर्ट, वेल बोला है कि मेरे को एक ड्रैगन दो तो फिर वी विल सपोर्ट. उधर वो बैठी भी है and she is now both, एक माँ का भी रोल है और obviously queen
as a
ruler as well. And then she breaks down कि भाई, and both of them know कि कुछ हुआ है, that needs to be, there is something to cry about right now, right? And fact, having the fact कि हो गया है. Another scene what I really like was the both Alicent and Rhaenyra were both dealing with fire in different not different ways. Both एक तरफ they were burning, उधर चिता जल रहा था, उधर she was lighting up those candles, और वो एक कैंडल उसके नाम पे कभी लास्ट में हेजिटेंट थी, सोची सबके जो लोग गुजर गए हैं, एक कैंडल फिर भी वो जलाई कि ओके क्या होता है कीप में 7 जो वो लोग का है जहाँ पे लोग पूजा काइंड ऑफ करते हैं, वो वाला
the crypt basically.
The crypt, yeah. So I think I really like these two scenes from the first part. What about you, Arnima?
For me, it was just her getting the closure. I think that just stopped it, because that character was feeling so hollow. She was so depressed, and there she was standing on the hillside, and then she suddenly finds something. I think that was it. I mean, that was one of my favorite scenes. And as you rightly pointed out, Sudeep, is that when she was lighting the candle, she stopped for a few seconds, but still she did it. And I think that was it. Like, yes, they are both fighting for their own cause, but it's a weird situation, right? It is so weird. Like, where do you take a stand, right?
Yeah. It's so like those weird twins. Do you remember the twins? Jo season 1 में थे. They came came in this season also, no? Eric and his twin brother. That is what he said, right? Ki we swore to protect the royal kingdom. I mean the royals jo bhi hai. But now if they are only fighting internally, who should we choose?
And I think that was the line he gave it to Daemon too.
Daemon, yeah, exactly. So on this line, right, what would you guys choose? Like, if you had sworn this oath, you will protect the royals, and now they are only fighting, on what basis would you guys choose sides?
Sudeep should start this.
It's far more complex. As in, apart from having personal biases, for example, let's say I always like Alicent. Like, I always, consider her to be, क्योंकि सबको पता नहीं है. As audiences, हम लोग सब कुछ देख रहे हैं, right? We know everything that happens behind closed doors and everything. कौन क्या कर रहा है, कैसे चल रहा है, we know everything. But as उस प्लॉट में जो जनता बैठी है, उसको बहुत कम इन्फॉर्मेशन है. वो जो सुनता है, समझता है, उसी के हिसाब से डिसीजन लेता है. For example, I was there and I was more, I was always fed with information जो एलिसेंट को फेवर कर रहा है कि भाई बेचारी बच्ची थी, इसका बाप पहले इधर फंसाया, फिर वो रानी बन गई और फिर she has to give birth to children, ये है, and I'm there in King's Landing, so I would have पक्का sided with कि हाँ भाई I will take care of the high towers, कि भाई इधर देखेंगे. सेम केस में अगर if I was fed more information कि भाई Rhaenyra ये है, वो उसको उसका थ्रोन है, उसको मिल नहीं रहा है, शी इज बीइंग चीटेड, और Daemon ये है, बट from again, like when you said, if I had to choose in this situation, would have sided with the high towers, to be honest. Because I have never liked Damon from the get-go. Uh, he's an asshole.
Arunima's
As
favorite
simple as that.
character.
I
हाँ,
think
Arnima, who would
Damon
you
is
side with?
also, yeah, as you mentioned, कि Damon, I feel I think it's a very tricky character to point out exactly which way he's swaying to, right? While he's all about कि मुझे इसको मारना है, उसको मारना है, right? I think it's still very early to point towards Damon, number one, right? And talking about sides, to be honest, it's a very difficult decision. Let's face it, because
True.
everyone is fighting for the right reasons. But Alicent, I will always have a very soft corner for
Yeah, there you go.
You know
because
why? You
There
know
you
why?
go.
no, I mean, she has been just tricked into this whole game, right? If you remember the Cersei's famous dialogue at some point when she had told us, right? Cersei Lannister was this, that when you are in the Game of Thrones, right? You win or you die, right? Now it is a war between the same house itself. It's basically a civil war, which is,
Yeah.
yet to come. They are forcing it, and you win or you die. But I think that's where she draws her line, because I would any day be with Alicent. I guess she has been through too much. She never wanted to be there in the first place. And I think karma bites you back, as you would have seen that Otto Hightower is now being little about it.
Correct.
So yeah, for me, cross my heart and hope to die. Yes, Alicent Hightower it is.
Amit?
I also like the fact. I like the fact that Alicent is regretful कि Luke
Yeah,
died.
she's actually trying to find out alternatives to avoid
correct,
that
how
war.
to avoid everything.
Yeah, like why don't she just kneel, right? But again,
That's true. That's true.
Amit,
But then
who would
again,
you side with?
my side would again be with the blacks, and it is not because of Rhaenyra or Daemon. It is all bias for Rhaenys. For some reason, I really
I
like
think-
that character. उसका from season 1, no, I was like, bro, यही character best है.
actually, somehow this character portrait, somehow reminds me of I'm forgetting her name now.
Olenna.
Nay, not Olenna. Guys, please spare me the horror. What was the sister's name of Targaryen in Game of Thrones? I forgot her name, man.
There is.
The silver hair.
Very good, very good hint. Targaryen के लिए silver hair.
Okay, moving on. But yeah, but
Oh,
somehow
wait,
that
we're
character
coming
is.
back to
अरे
this.
we'll figure
We're
out the
coming
name.
back to
We'll
this.
figure coming back. कौन
Yeah.
बहन? किसकी
अरे,
Are
बहन?
you talking about
it would
Daenerys?
Daenerys.
Daenerys, yes.
Hey,
I'm
Bhagwan.
talking about Daenerys Targaryen. Oh God, I'm so sorry. I just forgot her name. I really need I think I really need to redo my homework. But yeah, I mean, it definitely reminds me of Daenerys a lot. I don't know why. Because whenever she tries to take a stand for herself, it just reminds me of her.
Khaleesi.
And I think this is, yeah, Khaleesi. How did I forget Khaleesi? Damn. Anyway, moving on. But to be honest, I mean, how do you feel this? Like, how do you feel this show is gonna go? Like, where do you think? Because for me, to be very honest, I'm watching as an audience. While I say that, hey, I am with Alicent, but at the same time, I know probably what Rhaenyra is also going through. It's a very dilemma moment for all of us, collectively, who's sitting here and watching it, right? How do you think, this is gonna be like, how these episodes are gonna be like what do you feel?
I think they have done the classic thing ना, ये सब चीजों में ना चीजें बिगड़नी चाहिए, right? Things should fall out of plan. Plan अगर Aemond को धोने का था, तो Aemond नहीं पकड़ाएगा, कुछ और होगा, and that is what has exactly happened. ये Daemon डेढ़ छाना बन के अपना गया करने के लिए अकेले बहुत चौड़ में कि पूरा सब सेटिंग करके भाई मेरा भाई तू फिक्र मत करके वो किया और अब लगने वाले हैं क्योंकि did you see the trailer of the next week's the next
Oh,
episode?
I haven't. I
Yeah,
haven't.
so
I haven't.
so he has completely effed up the game for everyone. Rhaenyra is going to be pissed कि भैया ये नहीं
Yeah.
करना था. Excuse me, idiot. We had to do it a different way. और you know, और पूरा ऑफ ट्रैक ले गया इसको. जो चीज बहुत ही स्मार्टली किया जा सकता था, जो चीज बहुत ही ये किया जा सकता था, ऑब्वियसली अगर वो चिट्ठी लिख के भेजती भाई मेरे को एमेंट दो, कोई नहीं एमेंट देता. वो ऊपर से वेगार को लेके वो बैठा हुआ है तब तो डेफिनेटली नहीं. वो बोला भाई आई डोंट केयर, आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्ट्रॉय द होल डैम थिंग. बट जिस तरीके से डेमन किया, वो आग में घी नहीं पूरा पेट्रोल डाल दिया है. क्योंकि अब इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइक, क्योंकि
Messed
वो
up. Yeah.
क्या नाम था, जे से नाम था ना उसका बच्चा का, द बॉय हु गॉट किल्ड.
Daenerys?
Yes. Janet,
Or who got-
telling you.
Jaehaerys करके शायद.
हाँ
No, Jaehaerys is, I think, the girl.
नहीं पता नहीं. But I don't think so.
हाँ,
Someone.
जो भी था, एगोन का जो बेटा है जिसके बहुत ही माय डियर सन
खास
काइंड ऑफ
था।
ट्रीटमेंट था,
Yeah.
और एंड दे हैव जस्ट मेस्ड इट अप बिग टाइम. और दैट इज हाउ द स्टोरी शुड प्रोग्रेस. और बिल्कुल सही
Yes.
नोट पे है. एट द सेम टाइम डेमन का, यू नो, डेमन पे जो रेनेरिस ने, क्या नाम है उसका जो अमित को बहुत पसंद है, जो टॉन्ट मारी कि
Rhaenys.
तुम राजा होते तो फिर तुम्हारा बात सुनते. तो वो उसको टीस हमेशा से रहे कि भैया मेरे को होना चाहिए था. आई वाज द ब्रदर ऑफ विसेरिस, मेरे को थ्रोन को होना चाहिए था. ये चाचा भतीजा वाला सब चल रहा है,
Correct.
सबको थ्रोन मिल रहा है
Correct.
एक्सेप्ट मेरे को. सब पे
Correct,
बैठ सकता
correct.
है
I
throne
think-
पे except
yeah.
me.
You're right. I think, matlab, he's, as I was telling, that he's a very difficult character. He sways everywhere, right? Because he has his own agenda too.
Yeah.
If everyone is getting the opportunity, then why not me? Kind
He's
of a
very
thing.
bullish about it, no? उसको
हाँ.
लड़की भी
True.
चाहिए,
Well,
उसको
that is
सारी
from the
लड़कियां चाहिए, उसको पार चाहिए, उसको ड्रैगन चाहिए, उसको थ्रोन चाहिए, उसको सब कुछ चाहिए.
True.
बदला चाहिए हर टाइम. बिल्कुल रॉकस्टार का रणबीर कपूर है.
But that was his character from the start. So this is थोड़ा expected from Daemon also. कि भाई वो अपना ही करेगा जो भी करने का है.
हाँ, नहीं,
I think he's just
वो-
fathead. Classic example of fathead. How to ruin things.
हाँ. But one thing that I look forward to when I see episodes, no, is to see अगले episode में क्या होने वाला है. And this I could not see in the episode जो मैंने देखा. So अभी ट्रेलर देखने के लिए I have to go again search for it on YouTube and all that. Because I
Yeah,
never
I
saw
really want to
what's
see this.
upcoming next. हाँ.
Yeah. Because killing the
Yeah,
child didn't justify it. They didn't justify it. I mean, Daemon was very stupid of doing that. I mean, why the hell would you do that? I mean, that would it's like a catalyst to a freaking civil war which is already impending. You know, as a matter of fact, there is a civil war coming, and you just went and you just put a fire to that, and it didn't make sense completely. And he really needs to calm down.
आणि पक्का श्योर वो बोला होगा जब वो पूछा होगा कि अगर एमेंट नहीं मिला तो क्या करें, पक्का बोला कि भाई लेते हैं, देख लो,
दूसरे वाले को.
कुछ कर लो,
हाँ.
आसान फॉर आसान,
हाँ.
कुछ हो जाए.
Yeah.
I knew this scene was coming, but I did not expect it एकदम first episode में ही, you know, they would end it this way. I thought थोड़ा they will drag it, then they would do some kind of a twist कि भाई इसने इसको कुछ कर दिया है, चलो अब और बदला लेते हैं types.
No, I think I liked it because the 8 episodes है ना, I think they have to nail down every episode with something, you know, for us to look forward to.
Cliffhanger.
Correct.
cliffhanger type कि भाई ये हो गया, इस बार में ये हो गया.
But I'm gonna be true. When I saw Laris, I got my heebie-jeebies back. I'm like, dude, not again. Please go away.
To be honest, when the episode started and Alicent's face was there, I was scared that it was, you know,
True, but it
I was
turned out to be
shit.
someone else.
Shit, Bhai has moved from washing feet to doing something else. But भाई हमारे जो स्टड प्रिंस कैस्पियन है वो निकले. you know, to.
I think
but
Sir
yeah.
Cole is gonna get it. He needs it,
never-
man.
I never thought it would be Laris. हमको तो
He-
लगा ही था क्रिस्टॉन जो भी है उसका वही होगा.
I know.
नहीं,
sir,
Cole-
I'm telling you that.
But
that is
कोल
he
बहुत
needs
तड़पे
that.
हैं यार. कोल को जरूरत भी है. कोल needs it.
He
No,
he's
Cole
all-
is doing-
all it princesses.
Cole is doing sheer out of heartbreak. I think he just took he's one of those ex who didn't take the rejection well.
Yeah.
I mean that's why he's all up Rhaenyra right now. That भाई
हाँ,
वो
तो-
गलती किया है, वो खराब, वो लड़की खराब है. हमने तुम क्या हो फिर, हैं?
That I agree. How can he just expect कि some very royal princess who is like full rich and all will just ditch
Yeah.
everything and go somewhere else?
Like, what the
अरे
hell?
कुछ-
Like,
कुछ
get your
जाने तो-
rejection right, dude.
भाई वो जाने थोड़ी बोल रहा था. वो बस बोल रहा था कि भाई तुम मेरे साथ ही अफेयर
जाने
करो.
बोल रहा था. He
कुछ
was
जाने
like,
नहीं बोल
मेरे
रहा था.
साथ करो, we'll go
उसको बोला था
somewhere
कि
else.
आपको क्राउन नहीं चाहिए, तुम बस मेरे साथ ये रहो. वो बोलती है कि नहीं भाई ऐसा नहीं होगा, अभी मेरे को बहुत एक्सप्लोर करना है. बस
Of
लो,
you.
करो एक्सप्लोर,
Of you. Come on. She
करो
was,
एक्सप्लोर.
I mean, Rhaenyra had a
होगा
very
तब
good
ना.
point.
आई एम विद कोल. भाई तुम ऐसा भाई के साथ चीटिंग कर रही है तो मेरे भाई छोड़ेगा नहीं.
What-
भाई
what
रॉन
I
भी
never
मारे,
did was
भाई का
complete.
पिटाई भी हुआ. भाई पूरा फॉर्म में है. और भाई दिखते भी तो सही हैं. भाई तो क्या दिक्कत, एलियन से बेटर दिखते हैं भाई. समझ में नहीं आता सारी को.
But Damon is more highborn, no?
Yes.
I'm telling you,
Damon
this is like Westeros का Spitsvilla चल रहा है उधर.
now we are getting
This
it.
was the mega episode. This was the mega
Westeros का
episode.
Splitsvilla.
Westeros का
Oh god, I would
Alicent
have thought
Sunny
everyone
about
with
it.
everyone.
Alicent, Sunny Leone, Rhaenyra, Ranvijay. Yeah, I don't know उसका host कौन करता है. But yeah.
Oh god.
हाँ ये पुराने
But
वाले
if you-
होते हैं.
But if you guys have noticed that Larys did kill all these people who were against them, like he just
हाँ.
comes back and says कि they're not breathing the
पूरा-
same air like us. I'm like,
पूरा-
okay. हमने तो घर भी
पूरा-
चला लिया था last time.
Larys पूरा न्यू हायर एनेबलमेंट किया है और पूरा टीम को.
And he's about to go against Alicent and all. Did you guys notice? He's trying to remove her dad from being the hand in the
Yeah, yeah.
Royal Council.
Correct.
That's
नहीं
what.
किया.
That's what. He's trying to do that. He's like Lord Baelish 174 years back.
Correct.
बैक नहीं फ्रंट. बाद में आता है ना लॉर्ड वेलिस तो.
मतलब
अबे-
वही मतलब हाँ, he was way
यही होगा.
ahead. Then came Lord Baelish.
And
लॉर्ड
sister-
वेलिस
क्या
लॉर्ड वेलिस के घर
sister
में लॉर्ड डैरिस का फोटो होगा, उसमें माला चढ़ा होगा. भाई हमारे दादाजी ऐसे थे.
Also, did you guys notice the white
बोलो.
worm? Did you guys
हाँ.
notice the white
हाँ.
worm? The
Yes.
accent पूरा एकदम change हो गया है.
Yes.
बहुत थक
Now
गई
it
है
is-
भाई. बहुत थक गई है वो. बहुत घूमी है, थक गई है.
But still the accents compared to season 1, season 2, now it is much more understandable. पहले
या
कुछ
फिर
एकदम
कास्ट,
ज़्यादा ही-
हमको लग रहा कास्ट भी चेंज हुआ है. I did not
not cast is changed, dude, but I don't know.
because वो लास्ट वाली भी मतलब I remember, but और उसमें भी दिखाया था, रिकैप में भी दिखाया था, और ये थोड़ी सी अलग लड़की लगी मेरे को. बट हाँ ओके.
मुझे see look wise I thought they were the same because the last time I saw White Worm was season 1 में, that was 2 years ago. But
Yeah.
only accent जो change हुआ ना, I was like, is this a recast? It might be, it might not be, I don't know. ये Google करना पड़ेगा बाद में.
या फिर वो पूरा ग्रुप को ही व्हाइट वर्म बोलता होगा. मतलब तुम लोग सब वही काम करते हो. अब एक आ गया इसके पास और ये फिर पूछ रहा है, बताओ रेड चीफ का सीक्रेट्स क्या हुआ नहीं हुआ. चूहा पकड़ने
But they
वाला
call
तो
her this
लेके गया.
queen of gossip, नहीं क्या? Queen of something.
हाँ gossip
But
master
I
of
think
gossip.
Mysteria was there. Mysteria, I don't think got recasted. You know, I think she was
पर
there
मेरे को I
before
don't know,
also.
I could not connect the faces. मेरे को अलग लगा फेस. मेरे को लगा कि कोई और कास्ट हो गई है तो सिमिलर लुक के साथ.
No, but I think now that she's here, let's see what game changer she gets into this game of Civil War.
I
But
think
I'm
that
definitely
game
looking
changer,
forward to it.
that game changer उसने already दे दिया उसको, how to enter the palace from the undergrounds and all that, right? I don't think, at least according to me, उसका ज़्यादा रोल नहीं होने वाला है आगे चल के, apart from what Bhassad she made just now.
You never know, डेमन का कोई ठीक
Yeah,
थोड़ी है।
Yeah.
obviously.
हाँ, डेमन को अचानक से प्यार उमड़ जाता है उसका, तो फिर कोई ठीक नहीं है। सब याद आ जाता है उसको। ऐसे भी
and I
अभी कोई
think
एक्शन मिल नहीं रहा है भाई को, वो अचानक से उनका दिमाग फिसलेगा। अभी तो रैना के पास जाएगा भी नहीं, इतना मारेगी पकड़ के कि छोड़ेगी
so
नहीं।
कुटाई होगा।
क्लैरिस से ही बोल दे कि भाई चलो तुम इधर आंगन में चलो चलो, सायरा की तरह इसको खत्म कर, इसको निपटा। यही है जो मेरा सारा
Action,
प्लान चौपट करता है, मेरा सब कुछ हो
action
जाता है
बस
इसके कारण।
True.
action बस एलिसेंट को मिल रहा है, बीट स्टार्ट ऑफ द एपिसोड और एंड ऑफ द एपिसोड.
Yes. Alicent
Alicent is
got her
busy,
priorities
yaar.
straight.
Alicent is very busy. She's a very
I
very
think
busy lady.
I think Alicent at one point of time, even if you have seen in the series, when she was talking to her father, like I've summoned you an hour back, and then he trudges in Otto Hightower कि बहुत काम था, ठीक है. So if you have noticed that she's like, "Ki, dude, I have done my job. Like you wanted me to first of all get married to this Viserys, who's old, very very old, and all of that jazz you made me do. हमने throne भी ले लिया. You have usurped. You have asked me to do it. I did it. Right? Where does this end? Now, if something is not moving as per the plan, you need to give time." And she had a valid point. Alicent actually had a valid point. You just cannot make things happen in haste, right? We're talking about a bigger kingdom over here. It's a bigger picture over here. But he's like, it's not going as per the plan. And I think this will be a big backlash for Otto Hightower. I feel Otto Hightower is the next target. I'm having a feeling already about it.
बहुत सही रीजनिंग थी, रीजनिंग एक नंबर था कि तुम सारा सबके सामने बैठ के मेरे को नीचा दिखा रहे हो, कहाँ मेरा बात सुनेगा है तो मेरे को
Correct.
सपोर्ट करो भाई। इतना कुछ किया है, इतना आगे आ गए हम लोग, इतना लोग मर गया, अभी आगे बढ़ना है तो सपोर्ट करें, तो बेटा तो हाथ से निकल जाए। और वो लोग कष्ट पे
Very
है,
true.
एकदम
Very
एकदम कष्ट पे है। एक राजा है और
Correct.
एक राजा का भाई, दोनों का दिमाग ऐसे फिरेगा ना, किसी का नहीं सुनेगा लोग। अगर दोनों को छोड़ दिया जाए तो कल वहाँ वो बिल्डिंग उड़ जाए, वो रेड की वो घर उड़ जाए। अगर दोनों को छोड़ दिया जाए, जाओ बेटा तुम लोग जो करना है करो, बस वो बोलेगा बेकार को लेके जा और सब कुछ लेके आ जा, जैसे कि शॉपिंग के लिए जा, जाओ जाओ बेकार को लेके जा, सब कुछ लेके आ जा, घुस के मारेगी
Oh
सब।
God.
और ऑटो हाईटावर को मतलब होता है ना, ही शुड नो कि अब खत्म हो गया जलवा। एक समय था 3 राजा को संभाल के बहुत जलवा खत्म, अब थोड़ा रिटायर करिए, उसको वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। और एक्चुअली ये लैरिस जो है ना, वो ज्यादा बेटर संभालेगा, मतलब ही इज मोर एफिशिएंट अपार्ट फ्रॉम all of her scheming and spotting, but लैरिस बहुत तगड़ा संभालेगा।
Correct.
हाँ
True.
That's the big he gave, no? कि भाई Otto Hightower has been hand for 3 kings. अब उसका टाइम ऑलमोस्ट आ ही गया है, तुम रिटायर करो, इंडिया की सेलिंग मुझे डालो, I'll give you more. Someone start. I'm not starting, obviously.
All right, I'm starting. Right, I think I've just sent the trailer ka link, and now all 3 of us have seen next week. I think episode का नाम भी बहुत अजीब सा है, Weeks Ahead, I guess. Weeks Ahead क्या नाम है?
Yeah, they have given a very interesting name to it.
Yeah, Week Ahead.
Weeks Ahead. Yeah, Weeks Ahead trailer is what this.
Yeah, Weeks Ahead trailer. Correct. So, I think अमित भेजा था कि एपिसोड 2 कुछ बहुत धाकड़ होने वाला है, राइट? कुछ ऐसा था ना, कुछ एपिसोड 2 will be very very big kind of, एक मैसेज तो भेजा था ना अमित? Am I right or am I right?
Yeah.
So, obviously looking forward to episode 2. But one major
Yes.
question that I want to ask both of you, which is the next major death happening in House of Black? The next immediate,
Next.
the next person going to fall. who is going to be that person? Which character? Major.
It can be hypothetical, no?
हाँ, काय नहीं.
Not the one you want to kill, but who you think will be killed.
The way the story is progressing, the way things are moving, who will be?
Yeah, I think it's Otto Hightower only. I'm thinking that.
नहीं,
But
सही
is
है.
it considered as major?
हाँ भाई, ऑटो हाइटावर बहुत
It
मेजर
will
है.
have a major क्योंकि नहीं, actually if something happens to him, because I don't think I mean if you have looked into the series, Rhaenyra is not aware exactly how they have chalked out this entire usurping the throne and all of it coming together, and that might just get revealed in a better, to put in better words, that they just might get caught or whatever, that might get very serious for them, is what I am looking at. And if Larys come into the picture instead of Otto Hightower now, that will be something to look at.
ये आई थिंक केओस को ना पूरा वो लोग रोक के रखे हैं. एलिसेंट और ऑटो सब कुछ एकदम बिखर जाने से आउट एंड आउट वॉर, मतलब बिल्कुल एकदम क्या कहते हैं, ब्लड बाथ को रोकने के ये दोनों रोक के रखे हैं. द मोमेंट ये दोनों गए, पिक्चर से हटा दो, ठीक है. एक तो कोल पगला जाएगा, पहला बात है, दोनों हटे तो. और उसके बाद जो बाकी फिर बचेगा नहीं. इजी टारगेट्स हो जाएंगे दोनों भाई, बहुत इजी टारगेट्स हो जाएंगे.
But according to the trailer जो अभी we saw, उसमें they've clearly shown कि now the king is gone, like चलो we have to go on war, and even this Christian is telling Otto कि you can't talk to the king that way. Now that means he's also slowly going against he's going towards the king, away from Otto. So,
he has to be in the good books ना. Aegon तो is a weak king, तो he has to be सब उसका खुशामद करके उसका गुड बुक्स में रहना चाहता है कि भाई फायदा मांगता है मेरे को. हाँ, बट अगेन ओके, एलिस इज सेइंग ऑटो हाइटावर. हमें तेरे क्या लगता है कौन जाएगा?
I would agree with the explanation Arunima gave, right? Now that has made me change because I know there is a major death coming, and I'm thinking it's this season only.
So yes, Amit has read the books, so Amit को पता है. Arunima keeps reading books, but
not this
one. I don't read books much, so I am the innocent one on this panel, but Amit knows. So okay, अब तेरे से पूछने का मतलब नहीं भाई, तेरे को पता है कौन जाने वाला है.
I don't want to give spoilers. I'll just agree with what Ali said. I like her explanation. So who knows? Maybe it is Otto.
I think maybe they're going to give us more pain. I think they will, they will. It's a misdirection. सबसे पहला बात, एमेंट को कुछ नहीं होगा. एमेंट बिल्कुल प्रोटेक्टेड. एमेंट विल बी बढ़िया से एकदम डोमिनेट करेगा. एमेंट जो उसको करना है, जैसे करना है, he'll survive एंड दोनों भाई फॉर दैट मैटर. जैसे वो था, क्या नाम है, सांसा स्टार्क का जो जिससे शादी वाला सांसा का,
Tyrion Lannister,
Joffrey जैसे थोड़ा टाइम तक अपना बचाते रहा ऑल हिज स्टूपिड स्टफ दैट ही वाज डूइंग. वो उस टाइप से एगन बचते रहेगा, और एमेंट वो वॉर करना है, अटैक करना है, उस एंगल में बचते रहेगा. आई थिंक समवन इज गोइंग टू डाई फ्रॉम दिस साइड ऑफ द हाउस.
Greens, yeah.
No, not from the Greens. I mean, I feel it's going to be from Rhaenyra.
I mean, blacks, yeah.
क्योंकि I feel कि थोड़ा, I think audience को from a director angle अभी थोड़ा पेन और चाहिए, to feel bad for her. साला पहले वो गया, अब ये गया, या I don't know who, but I feel उधर एक और लॉस होना है, ताकि it bites more कि भाई why isn't she attacking? Why isn't she just बोलो चलो भाई ड्रैगन लेकर चलो, सीधा चलो, बात खत्म करते हैं एक ही बार में, जैसे खलीसी की थी वैसा टाइप का कुछ खत्म करते हैं यार. अभी ट्रेलर में ऐसा लग रहा है कि डेमन पहुंच गया इधर, ऐसे ही पहुंच ही गया है. पर वो ड्रैगन लेके किंग्स लैंडिंग में घूम रहा है, ऐसा लगा ट्रेलर से कि you know that he's roaming around in King's Landing with on his dragon. और अगेन अब
No, I
थोड़ा सा
think
पॉलिटिकल हो
yeah.
रहा है कि वो रिवर लैंड्स या क्या नाम है जिसको हैरन हॉल में जाके बात करो, वहाँ सेटिंग करो, बहुत नेचर है,
Correct.
दोनों पार्टीज उधर उसको कन्विंस करने की कोशिश करेंगी कि भाई पॉलिटिकल अब होगा, ऑब्वियसली स्लो बर्न पे ले जाएंगे, बट या दे हैव टू डू डेथ्स प्रॉपर्ली ताकि वी गेट दोज यू नो थिंग्स, मैन ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, या ये बहुत मस्त हुआ, या यू नो ऑल ऑफ दैट.
No,
The same
yeah.
reaction that Luke's death got.
या
No, actually, that is so true. I mean, I think we all need.
तो
I think every episodes will have a little bit of closure upon everything. Is what I feel. And end में जाके then they will probably just okay. This is it. This is where we draw the line. Now I'm calling a war. That's it.
so don't remember how many kids people have. I mean, like I don't no memory of अच्छा ये बहन है, ये भाई है, as long as the series में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि क्या है, पता चला तब शादी हो जाए दोनों का, you never know. So वो एंगल मतलब ऐसे कि when they were crying, you know there were two girls crying. अब मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था कि ये were they you know kind of wed to them or were they interested in them or they were sisters brothers, क्या था याद है, मतलब when
They were cousins.
they were cousins,
They
ना
were cousin
वही.
wives. Yeah. They were cousin wives. So like they were the Valerians का, they were these guys Daemon's daughters from
Correct.
Daemon's daughters.
Daemon's
from
daughters.
his first wedding with
यही होता है ना
Rhaenys'
जब आप
daughter.
Rhaenys'
normal-
daughter. Yeah.
जब आप नॉर्मल शादी नहीं करते तो यही होता है कि अब
You-
डेमन डॉटर है, कजन है, क्या है, नहीं है,
वो-
रो रही है,
They are
Yeah.
वो थोड़ा सा और ज्यादा रो रही है, बोले अरे
Yeah.
कुछ था क्या, कुछ समथिंग वाज ब्रूइंग
That's
क्या.
like yeah,
They are
yeah.
Daemon's
That's like
daughter.
Helena getting married. Yeah.
Daemon's daughter marrying Rhaenyra's sons. This were the couple. So the guy Luke was that other girl's
not
husband.
surprised at all.
Is it
No,
like a
actually,
kid?
yeah. Actually, in today's episode, while I was watching it, it took me a lot of time because it's been 2 years. Let's face it, guys. Okay. While I was seeing this meme, like how Rhaenyra got married to Uncle Daemon, I mean, I think we clearly forgot the fact that there is Helena who got married to her older brother Aegon in the first place,
Correct.
right? And it just cannot get any more weirder than this, which took me good 5 to 6 minutes just to understand ki why does she have 2 kids, because it's been 2 years, right? I'm just going to give a flame to 2 years because I have forgotten who is married to who. Okay.
खाली हाउस ऑफ ड्रैगन
And-
थोड़ी देखना है भाई, बहुत कुछ देखना है, इतना कुछ देख रहा है आदमी, फिल्म देख रहा है, बुक पढ़ रहा है, बहुत कुछ कर रहा है भाई. खाली हाउस ऑफ ड्रैगन देखते रहेगा बैठ के, यहाँ भाई तेरा इससे शादी हुआ, तेरा इससे ये हुआ, अगले दिन चेंज हो जाएगा, अगले दिन फट से कुछ हुआ, बस अगले दिन भी बदल जाएगा. अरे उसमें किसको फुर्सत है, करो भाई जो करना है.
No, I actually forgot, and then I saw those 2 kids, and he's very excited to get her. Get his elder son to the council meeting, and I was like, oh my god, when did this people get married, and what the hell happened? I mean, I was little taken aback. It's very complex though, but I think they used to do that. I mean, there is a tale to it that Targaryens used to believe in that ritual
Pure
a lot
blood.
to keep their pure blood logic.
मगलू.
Huh.
That's why they all try to keep it in the high blood lines. No, that's why Daemon married Bella from the Valerians. That's why Rhaenys was married to that other guy who
Yes.
was that Shikbala. So they were trying to keep their bloodlines pure and royal and all that stuff.
Very weird.
But coming back to what Ali said, right, about Aegon getting his elder son to the council. In the start,
Yeah.
I was like, when they showed the scene and it got over, I was like, kya bekar mein? It was pointless to get him here. But then they showed that whole Nazar point, right? कि इवेंट नहीं, एगॉन को खुद की नजर लग गई. He was like, my heir is this is my heir, that is my heir, and end of the day
Beautiful.
जो भी हो गया.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful observation. Yeah.
Yeah.
Overstepping, over expecting, over manifesting. वो कुछ ज्यादा कर दिया होता ना, क्लासिक कुछ ज्यादा कर दिया. You should not have done that. बनता अपना
Yeah,
टाइम में
even-
बनता.
Yeah, even Helena in that matter, if you remember, the scene started with Helena
Ah.
just, stitching, and the kids are playing, and not kids, I think she was just sitting alone, and he just storms in, right? And Helena said that I'm scared, and he goes, what the hell are you scared about, man? The rats. She speaks about the rats. That's why I said that someone should start taking Helena Targaryen very seriously, right? She can predict things. I mean, let's face it, man. And I what I really liked about her is that she could have, I don't know, I mean, if it had happened, like if you remember a point when these two people barged into the chamber and she was standing there under knife, right? She was hold against the knife, and they were asking like, who is the son? And then this whole discussion going on, and they're looking at these two cribs, which is the son, who is what, right? And then she points towards the crib, right? Also, my question to that was, did she point at the right crib, was also a question which had come to my mind, right? Was it the son who got slain, or is it not the daughter, or I don't know. I mean, I had a few questions on that.
Camera properly showed किया. She was pointing to the sun only.
They told, right, कि I have a thing कि she must have seen, like you mentioned ना, कि उसको कुछ prediction का कुछ है. She must have thought something, then only she must have told कि ये मेरा बेटा brother है.
Slain the boy, yeah.
हाँ, because in the end she told, no, they got the boy, they slain the boy, जो भी है. Because I think she knows her daughter is going to play some kind of a role. Who knows?
True. And also she did mention that some people just might not become a ruler. They just might want to stay away from it. And the kid was just, in the library in the beginning of the scene when she mentioned that, no, he's in the library. He probably doesn't want to become a ruler, right? But again, it bites you the way it bites you, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But I have to give it to one thing. I mean, the way Alicent or Otto Hightower, they're containing things, as Sudeep rightly mentioned, they are doing a really good job, because with those two fathead son that she has, she cannot get the job done as clearly as it's supposed to be.
दंगे होंगे दंगे अगर उनको छोड़ दिया गया.
Seriously, उन लोग के घर के घुस के मार के आ जाएंगे Rhaenyra. I think that would have been the ultimate situation otherwise. So true. But yeah, I feel if Otto is gone from the picture, it's going to be difficult.
I mean,
I don't know how Larys is going to play. Larys is going to
then this is the rise of the limb. वो फिर वो आके
rise of the limb. Yeah.
He is going to poison this Aegon's mind कि भाई तुमको ऐसे करना चाहिए, तुमको वैसे करना चाहिए.
True.
वो मजा आएगा. वो जैसा जिधर भी ले जाएगा कहानी को ना, मजा आएगा. वो बोलेगा किसी और को ही जाके, बोले ब्रावोस में एक है, उससे बात करते हैं, उससे सेटिंग करते हैं. किसी को आइडिया नहीं. ब्रावोस से सेटिंग करा के भाई पैसा आ रहा है, सब आ रहा है, सब हो रहा है, उससे बात करते हैं. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग मोड पे कहानी है. I think we are just getting started. We are just getting started. Things, बहुत सारी चीजें अभी गलत जानी बाकी हैं. बहुत सारे challenges आने बाकी हैं. It is going to be Daemon versus Rhaenyra at one point in the future, because
I feel so. Yeah.
Daemon का inherent lust for power कि भाई एक बार तो बनता है, मेरे को एक बार तो I want to be king, क्योंकि वो आ जाएगा वो. And the way things are going, things are not looking that promising for both the parties. दोनों parties का अपना अपना दिक्कत है. दोनों parties, and I think this is where I when I start one, I was taken back like 5-6, I don't know how much time it has been, when I had started watching Game of Thrones. जब पहला बार देखा था वो
हम्म,
बर्फ वाला सीन, जैसे अर्निमा बोल रही थी, राइट, कि भाई बहुत टाइम लगा के देखे हैं गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स, मतलब इज्जत से बैठ बैठ के ये होता है, ये होता है, ये होता है, इतने सारे सीजन, कितना था, 7-8 सीजन था ना, कितना सीजन था, we
8
we
seasons.
8
saw
seasons.
we
Yeah,
saw everything. I mean,
true.
उतना बैक इन द डे उतना शुरू हुआ था, एंड लैनिस्टर्स
Yeah.
कितने उत्तम मतलब थे, और कैसे सरवाइव
Hmm.
करते थे वो लोग। टारगेरियन का तो बात ही नहीं था, इट वाज लैनिस्टर्स वर्सेस स्टार्क्स। लैनिस्टर्स
Yes.
बचते 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 बचते, आई थिंक वैसा ही हालत होने वाला है दोनों भाइयों का। They'll बचते 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 बचते, somehow they'll just, you know, like a snail, not like a snail, but like a bug that will not leave, वैसा टाइप का they'll just cockroach, like they'll be just surviving every, you know, thing that happens. And I think the longer these characters stay, और मजा आएगा। I want Cole to stay, obviously Aemon to stay, Aemon, Rhaenyra, Alicent, obviously. If
I want
Alicent
Cole
dies,
to stay so that he gets a tight slap from Rhaenyra. I want that to happen. I'm really manifesting for it. He never took the reach.
he's not a bad death.
Somehow I
That's the problem.
just like do not like that man now. Like I just do not like him anymore. Like
I
dude,
mean,
she said no, move on.
he's moved on. No, he's moved on to
No,
A
but
better
move
queen,
on.
a bigger queen.
Yeah,
to
I
a
understand,
to a,
but
to a better, not a better place, but
bigger queen.
I don't know. I mean, the
I
way
don't know.
he said that Rhaenyra have been like this, have been like that. I'm like, you don't know half of the things probably these people, these two girls would have gone through since their childhood. So you just cannot depict it through 2 lines by saying something
He's
against
going to
her.
get a bad death
Right.
ultimately. Yeah, चलते जाएगा। He's going to get a bad
Death
death.
should happen after getting thrashed. I'm really manifesting for it now. कि उसको कोई थप्पड़ मारो यार जोर से.
But I
No,
think
but
one more
honestly, yeah. हाँ बोल.
एक और चीज we should keep in mind कि ये Game of Thrones जैसा नहीं है. So in the starting they were killing of main characters, but if you look at Game of Thrones when it started going towards the end, all the main characters survived. So I think इसमें भी all these main characters, no, not the sub main characters, main characters will survive at least till the last season end तक जो भी है. Because I don't think.
But अगर गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स में तो ऐसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल नेड स्टार्क, classic example, right? He was not supposed to die. That episode made Game of Thrones, that and the wedding.
Game
It was like
changer.
कि
Lord Stark, yeah.
ये नहीं होना था। अभी भी people have not moved on from that death. कि भाई this was, भले ही स्टोरी खत्म हो चुका है, चीजें fell in place आगे चल के, but the way they set it up was so bloody good कि it was always painful to see कि भाई ये character क्यों? It was like so unfair, and that was the beauty, and I feel that the directors will play on that. They will make us, you know, like one character too much. I was thinking that she's going to die. क्या नाम है? Helena, जो भी है. हाँ,
Helena, the wife.
Helena, कि भाई गई आज, खत्म. But क्योंकि because you will classically yearn for कि भैया इसका तो कोई गलती नहीं, तो बैठी हुई थी चुपचाप, ये क्यों मैं? Like there are other people who deserve to die, and she's dying. So,
But then again, she's not one of those main characters.
Main
like
characters,
when I talk
yeah.
about main characters, I'm talking about Rhaenyra, Daemon.
वही the
The
fact is ना कि main
F21.
characters में आप किसी के पास sympathy नहीं है, मतलब किसी से sympathy नहीं है, in the sense for मेरे को at least. I just treat them like हाँ ठीक है. Like it's not like Ned Stark वाला sympathy. Ned Stark के लिए बहुत sympathy है कि भाई यार ये
That
आदमी,
is true.
इसकी बेटी का शादी हो गया इधर, ये पागल से, ये यहाँ आ रहा है दोस्ती के चक्कर में, सरसी अलग प्लान कर रही है, बेलिश अलग कर रहा है। बेलिश और इसका सीन याद है? बेलिश इसके वाइफ पे लाइन मारता था कि भाई,
Correct.
और
Should not have trusted.
वहाँ उसके यू नो ब्रॉथल में वो बोलता है कि भाई तुम लोग इससे लड़ते हो स्वॉर्ड से, हम इससे लड़ते हैं,
दिमाग से।
ये मेरा
दिमाग
जोन
से.
है, ये मेरा जोन है, तुम लोग, और किंग्स लैंडिंग में हो। सेटिंग वेटिंग बेलिश ही कर रहा था कि आओ भाई, लेडी क्या नाम था उसका, लेडी उसकी वाइफ का,
Caitlyn Stark.
केटलिन को
Caitlin Stark, yeah.
केटलिन को वही ना बिंदास वही रही थी आई गेस। तो वो सारा चीज अब जैसे कि इन द ट्रेलर ऐसा उसका लाइन है मिसेरा, क्या नाम है उसका, वर्म, वाइट वर्म का, अब वो देयर आर मोर देन वन वे टू फाइट अ वॉर, वो बोल रही है।
Yes. Correct.
फिर वो कुछ सोच
That I
रही है
heard,
भाई
yeah.
पॉलिटिकल, she's setting things in motion for Daemon.
Let's see
Actually.
because if you look at season 1 also, in House of Dragons, there was no major death apart from the last episode.
Yeah,
So,
I mean, obviously Viserys को मरना ही था. That is not a major death.
that was the old age. That was nothing
That was,
surprising.
वो मम्मी बन के थोड़ी काम करता जैसा चल रहा था.
Oh God. But yeah, I mean, the character building will be amazing in this series is what I am predicting, because
Yeah.
If you have noticed Game of Thrones, जब हमने start किया था देखना, actually it was basically about the fall of House Stark and how they just came back to power once again, and it's just the Lannisters and the Targaryens were just instrumental into it. I mean, that was entire Game of Thrones all about. That's what it was, right? At the end of the day, it was North who withstood everything, right? And if you look at it, because as per what I had read up online, because House Targaryen was one of the most powerful house until it crumbled, right? They weren't that powerful, correct? If I'm not wrong, I mean that is how the Game of Thrones or their entire story is all about.
Majorly
That
because of the dragon.
they were very strong because of the dragons were the strongest house until I think they got Lannisters or whatever. I think then the Lannisters sort of become prominent. But again, it started with that. Targaryens were the powerful house, or was the powerful house in the King's Landing. But now the question is how they're going to spoil their own house by them being stupid about it. And the trailer was, there's a lot of chaos in the trailer. I mean, in the second episode. So I can only imagine what's going to happen next.
let's see.
And more so पूरा एंगल we have to remember कि ये प्रीक्वल है, ये वापस वहां छोड़ेगा जहां से हम लोग कहानी पता है, काइंड ऑफ. I mean still there will be some thousands of years का गैप बीच में, बट वो अभी अगर मतलब नॉट करंट टाइमलाइन, बट उसकी बात करें, मैड किंग की बेटी थी, पोती थी, क्या थी, खलीसी, जो भी
I think उसकी daughter थी.
हाँ, तो जो भी थी, तो वो मैड किंग वाला लाइन पे कहानी वापस आना है. ये चीज सबको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. इट वाज अ टारगेरियन सिटिंग ऑन अ थ्रोन, राइट? क्या एगॉन एमन, क्या नाम था
उसका भी कुछ जेरिस टाइप का ही नाम था.
हाँ, आई थिंक सो. ये तो नाम भी ये लोग रिपीट इतना करते हैं, कुछ पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 लगाते ही नहीं है, जूनियर सीनियर.
No, I think नहीं, let me see.
It was Aerys to Mad King.
Aerys, हाँ.
Aerys 2.
Aerys the second, yeah.
तो उस तरीके से ठीक है. आई ऑल्सो फील कि आई थिंक जैसे से कहानी आगे बढ़ेगा ना, दे विल गिव पीपल टू केयर अबाउट. जैसे अभी एमंड के लिए थोड़ा सा गुस्सा है, राइट? वो धीरे धीरे एमंड को एक देंगे. I mean, I hope so. Some lady, you know, that he is interested in, some good deed. क्योंकि ऐसे for me, the biggest transition was from kind of not liking Tyrion, not liking was ऐसे शुरुआत का part में Tyrion was from Game of Thrones, but end तक Tyrion was like यार ये मस्त बंदा है, kind of.
He was the goat. Yeah, he was a goat in the Lannister family.
जैसे हमें बोल रही हैं, वो कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट और एक आर्क पे ले जाना है कैरेक्टर को, फ्रॉम बीइंग हेटेड द मोस्ट टू बीइंग लव्ड द मोस्ट, फ्रॉम बीइंग लव्ड द मोस्ट टू बीइंग हेटेड द मोस्ट. So, you know, and I would love the fact to see Alicent step up and do some dirty stuff. I would love her to, you know, go crazy. कि भाई मेरे को बचाना है, मेरा बच्चा लोग को, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मेरा बच्चा है, तो करके she's trying to you know, protect both her sons. कि भाई बाकी जिसको मरना है मारो, I don't care, मेरा ये 2 बच्चा जिंदा रहना चाहिए. मेरा अगर ऑटो भी जाए तो जाए, हमको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ऑटो जाए, कोल जाए, जिसको सब लोग मर जाए, ये दोनों बच्चे रहना चाहिए, चाहे कुछ भी हो।
True.
अगर उस
True.
स्टेक्स तक एलिसेंट को पुश किया गया और एलिसेंट फिर कुछ कुछ ड्रास्टिक कॉल्स ली, जाओ इसको मार दो, जाओ उसको मार दो, जाओ उसको मार दो, तो वो देखने में बहुत मजा आएगा कि हाउ हाउ पीपल रिएक्ट व्हेन दे आर पुश टू देयर लिमिट्स। और
True.
मार
I
तो
think
होने
this
वाला है।
reminds me of
Exactly.
Cersei a lot. Cersei
या
Lannister.
या
Don't tell
एंड
me. Oh my God,
एंड
she will become the first
एंड
Cersei Lannister.
एंड एंड आई ऑल्सो फील ना कि बिकॉज ये सब बहुत अच्छा लगता है, दैट सर्सी वाला वही था कि वो एक बार गई थी, एक एक जंगल में गई थी, अमेजोन रेन फॉरेस्ट
पीछे
टाइप
बस
का।
हाँ।
वहां पे एक झोपड़ा था, झोपड़ा में एक तांत्रिक, मतलब तांत्रिक नहीं, जो बैठी थी, वो उनसे पूछी तो
Hmm.
बताए कि तुम लोग का ये हो जाएगा। अच्छा, 10 मिनट में द
Hmm.
मीटिंग विल एंड, तो विल क्लोज नाउ इन दिस थिंग।
Okay.
सो आई
Okay.
ऑल्सो फील कि हेलेना जो बोली ना, मे बी इट वॉज नॉट फॉर, क्योंकि ये लोग बहुत स्मार्टली खेलेंगे। दे किल द बॉय बोली वो, राइट।
Hmm.
अब इट कैन बी फॉर दिस बॉय और इट कैन बी फॉर सम अदर बॉय एज वेल, कि
Yes.
दैट शी सेइंग, और या फिर जैसा आप बोली, वो जानबूझ के पॉइंट की अपना बेटा की तरफ, क्योंकि उसको पता है कि ये बेटी कुछ करने वाली है। शी हैज दैट काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज एंड
Yeah. True.
चलो
ऑलराइट, लास्ट
देखते हैं अब
थॉट्स।
क्या होता है।
Yeah. Last thoughts. Amit, to start kar. Last thoughts.
Last thoughts. Looking forward to see how they play out the entire Dance of Dragons, because we know this entire thing is written down, so they can't go off script. So I'm just looking forward to see everything, how well they stick to the books and how well they
Yeah.
execute it.
Great. Nice. I would say that yes, I'm looking forward to the Civil War. I think this will be one show. I think I will still go back and say this one thing again and again. It is very hard to take a stand with these two ladies fighting. And whatever it is, let's hope for the best.
Yeah, I think काफी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें होनी चाहिए, एंड आई लव द फैक्ट दैट there is literature out there that's
Yes.
there for them to refer, learn and understand and not spoil the show like they did with
That is very important. Yeah. Yeah. True.
there's a proper ending to it, उस तरफ लेके
Yeah.
जाना है और फालतू कुछ नहीं करना है बीच में, ताकि दिमाग खराब हो जाए लोगों का, जैसा गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स का एंडिंग
Very
लेके
true.
आया। So that is a great thing. Well, this was the first episode of Not Live from Westeros, obviously. Uh, and I think we'll keep doing this every week after we watch a House of Dragon episode. Uh, my esteemed panel, from the most learned Arunima, who has read the most number of books any living person has ever read, to a man who has heard most books that has ever been created on Audible, on different platform, and to the man who has only read Harry Potter and a few Paulo Coelho books. This was the first episode. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more, and see you guys in our next podcast. Ciao.
Yeah.
Bye bye.